What in the world could possibly be in here? Watch me organize my nightstand. We're wasting time. Hello Hotties, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. I'm Ali Mack and I'm currently a 7th grade math teacher. Welcome to another day in Vlogune. While you're here, please click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from me. So in this video, we're gonna go through my big nightstand, and there's a lot of stuff in there that I have forgot what's in there. The one thing I do know is my nails. So you'll get to see my nail collection. Also, I'm gonna be showing you tidbits of me cleaning and before and after pictures of different places in my room. If this kind of thing just doesn't interest you, but you're here to show support for me, I appreciate you. You're free to go. Just leave the fire emoji before you exit. All right, let's go ahead and get into this. What are we gonna find?
Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story, and I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Made with bits of real panther, so you know it's good.
It's quite pungent.
Oh, yeah.
It stings the nostrils. In a good way.
Yeah.
Brian, I'm gonna be honest with you, that smells like pure gasoline.
60% of the time, it works. Every time.
That doesn't make sense.
It's all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her now. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you. all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her now. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how. Oh my, you're my broken love. Oh my, you're my broken love.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
smells like pure gasoline.
60% of the time, it works. Every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Alright, that is it for this video. If you found it helpful, informative, or even entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below the thing that surprised you the most that was in my nightstand. And as always, you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye!